Hello everyone, this is my second video, and as I promised you, I'm gonna do today opening of Ipsy Glam bag. Today I'm gonna open February Ipsy Glam bag, and I delayed my video because I was waiting for a new camera and I would like to make better quality videos. Okay, let's open Ipsy Glam bag. I'm with Ipsy already for more than a year and a half, and I like Ipsy because it's a great opportunity to try different brands, different kind of makeup. They send you usually 5 products of different brands. It can be eyeshadow, it can be lipstick, sometimes it's full size, sometimes it's like a mixture of testers and full-size products. February's Glam bag, it's this nice bag, contains 5 products. Pretty nice design, I love it, and let's see. So first product is 417 hand moisturizer. So I believe it's just like a hand cream. Yeah, so I already have so many hand creams, so maybe I'm gonna give it as a gift. Second product is Beauty Basics. This is foiled, lavish foiled eyeshadow. Yeah, I'm gonna show you on my hand so you see the color. So it's, yeah, pretty nice, pretty nice. Resemble like bronzer to me. Yeah. Third product is lasting liquid lipstick by Ofra. Lipstick color, it's pretty creamy texture, and you can see the color on my hand. Yeah, like that, so you'll see it. Pretty nice creamy texture. Fourth product is brush, so it's angled brush. I think it's good for when you apply like blush or bronzer. And last product is Bubble Macaroon Lip Balm. Oh, that's very good, smells very nice. So you see it's basic regular lip balm, but in really nice macaroon design. And always they send you like a small card where they say what's this month's about. February, it was Embracing Everything You Are. This kind of card. Also, I wanted to show you the product that which I really like. I take it when I travel with me, or if I'm in a rush, I'm gonna use it. Because it can substitute several products. It's product by This Works. Oh, here. It's called In Transit Camera Close Up, and this supposed to substitute mask, moisturizer, and primer in one, 3 in 1. But as a mask, I don't think so. That's working really good. But as a moisturizer and primer, I think it's perfect product. It was in this tester size, 20 milliliters. It lasted me for a few months. I like the smell. It smells really naturally, like a forest. Some people complained about the smell of this product, but I prefer more natural smell scent products than something that more has this artificial smell of perfume in makeup products. So recently I bought full-size product which appeared to be twice bigger 40 milliliters. So I'm gonna show you how it's look like in a full size. So this is full size product, which is really nice. So now if I'm in a rush, I'm gonna apply this one, that's it. It's gonna save me so much time instead of just applying separately primer and moisturizer. Okay, thank you for watching, and see you next time when I'm gonna unbox my FabFitFun box and next Ipsy Glam bag. Thank you, bye.